Hey y'all, welcome back to Big Daddy's Barbecue Pit. This week we're going to do some Bloody Mary marinated shrimp on the wreck. So we have a little over a pound of these are Argentina Reds. I peeled them, left the tail on. We're going to use this bag for our marinade. So we're just going to hit it with just a little bit of this simple citrus rub by Heath Riles. Give it a good coat of that. And we're going to come back with some Cajun Creole garlic butter rub. Just a couple little dashes of this. And then we're going to give them a good shake. Get everything good and coated. Now to this, if you have a favorite Bloody Mary mix, you can use it. We're just using this Charleston Bloody Mary mix we got from the grocery store. You're going to go in with a cup and a half. And this mix is not spicy. If you wanted to use a spicy one, you surely could. It'd probably give it some great flavor as well. So I'm just going to come back with another half cup. Now unfold this bag. We're going to get all the air out of it. And you're going to want to leave these sit in the refrigerator for at least, I would say at least 4 hours. If you could go longer, that'd be great. Overnight would probably be even better. We're just going to let them sit like that. Every once in a while, you can go in, give them a flip, roll them around, make sure they just stay underneath of that Bloody Mary mix. So set these off to the side. We're going to show you what it looks like after they marinated. Okay, so we've pulled these shrimp out of the refrigerator, and I'm going to roll this down a little bit so I don't get my hands too messy. If you want to wear gloves, you can wear gloves. We're going to be eating these, so I'm not too worried about that. But you can see they look amazing. They took that marinade really good. These have been in about 5 hours, so we're going to set these off to the side. I got some skewers here that I've soaked in water for about an hour, and we're going to just start putting about 4 or 5 of these on each one of these sticks. So I'm going to lay these out, and I'm just going to come through here. I want to catch the front end of that shrimp and the tail. Just push them on just like that. Really simple. And these are only going to take, we have our Rectech running right at 375. These are only going to take a few minutes on each side. Today, we're going to serve these with some rice. But you could absolutely set these out as an appetizer. If you're having a tailgate, you're just having a football party at your house, these things are going to work great. So try to leave a little space in between each one. Just like that. We're going to do 4. Let's do 4 on each one. I'm going to build the rest of these. Or we're going to take you out and show you how we're going to cook them. Okay, we have all of our marinated Bloody Mary shrimp on the skewers. We're going to go ahead and just come across lightly with some of this simple citrus rub by Heath Riles. This stuff's great on fish, really good on everything. Just going to give it a nice light coat. And again, we got the Rectech running at 375. Give you guys a quick flip. And these are only going to take a couple minutes on each side. We're not going to baste these with anything. We're not going to put any sauce on top. Just going in just like this. So we're going to go outside to the Rectech, get these on. We'll show you what they look like when we're done. Okay, we got our Rectech running again at 375. We're going to go ahead and set these on here. Just going to go straight across there like that. Keep them kind of centered. Ooh, man, it smells good already. Again, we're going to shut this about 3 minutes, flip them 3 minutes, pull them off. Okay, we've been on 3 minutes. We're going to go ahead and give these guys a quick flip. Man, they look good. Smell amazing. 3 more minutes. I'm gonna pull these guys off. Okay, our skewers are done. We're gonna go ahead and pull these guys off. Don't want to overcook them. They will be rubbery. We're gonna take these inside and show you how we're gonna plate them up. Okay, so we just did a real quick chicken rice to show you how we would plate this. You could also do these as an appetizer, these shrimp skewers, or you could drop them right into a Bloody Mary just like that. If you're having one for breakfast one Sunday morning, it would go good. These were real simple. Again, we marinated them for about 6 hours and a cup and a half of Bloody Mary mix. Hit them with a couple of those seasonings right there. Grilled them for a total of 6 minutes. These things look amazing. Smell good. Cooked to perfection. Great flavor from that marinade and those rubs. This would be a great appetizer. Be good for a tailgate. Be good for a midweek meal as well. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Get you some. Them some bitches are good.